We are Trends IoT. We provide vehicle telematics integration, usage-based insurance, and advanced fleet management for automakers, insurance companies, and commercial fleets. We are the #1 UBI solution vendor for insurance companies in Taiwan and also Tier 1 software and data application vendor for automakers. There are 1.4 billion cars around the world. Vehicle data and live streaming video become more and more important, especially in connected car or autonomous car. Now, let me present you the real-time dashcam, highlighting the data inference in two areas, include risk management and InsurTech development. In the area of risk management, our product use accurate and high-frequency data to provide the loss control management for car owners and commercial fleets. GPS and G-sensor functions provide parking safety for car owner, detecting movement on the vehicle and location service from preventing car theft and the tow-away situation. The remote live streaming video feature allows the user to monitor the vehicle through the dashcam to ensure vehicle safety. Device camera sensor provides ADAS and increase road safety. In-vehicle camera provide driver monitoring system. By using machine vision technology, the driver will be alert when the bad behavior is detected. Data plays an important role in the digital transformation of insurance company. Automobile insurance in the past normally is based on the holder's age, gender, and so on. We gather data such as driving mileage, behavior patterns, and hours, allowing insurance company to use this data as a measurement of premium pricing through our algorithm. In the process of claim follow-ups, our motion sensor detects vehicle collision and sends back footage to the insurance company, and contact insurance specialists to reduce claim disputes and issues. Real-time dashcam serves a wide range of applications and has a great potential for IoV industry evolution. We are dedicated to provide advanced IoV data service and the expert of artificial intelligence. We are Trends IoT.